Finding a lawyer can be difficult, but if you know what questions to ask, you'll be amazed at how easy it is to find the perfect attorney. With a few simple tips, you'll be ready to make the best decision. Today's guest will give you some great insight on finding the perfect attorney for your needs.
Well, if you're thinking of hiring an attorney for a personal injury situation, you're probably wondering what to do to make sure you get the right person to represent you. Without the right counsel in your corner, you may not wind up with the best results. For example, you may not secure all of the financial benefits available to you under the law specific to your location. You could even think everything is settled and be surprised to find you owe people money, including lien holders you weren't aware of. This shouldn't happen to you. If you look for the right attributes and follow a few simple tips, you should have no trouble getting an excellent attorney to help you. Here's what I suggest you do to make the right decision. First, when you have the name of a personal injury attorney, check out their online reviews, read about clients' experiences with them, and bear in mind the timeliness and sincerity of such reviews. Second, ask the attorney what percentage of their practice is dedicated to personal injury cases. You want to be sure the attorneys are up to date in current practices relating to your type of case and injury and are comfortable and experienced in handling your personal injury claim. They should have at least 10 years of experience practicing personal injury law as the central focus of their practice.
Third, make sure the attorney has trial experience. Be sure to ask how the attorney feels about litigation procedures and practices and whether he or she is ready, willing, and able to take your case all the way through to a jury trial if necessary. You don't want someone who's inexperienced and anxious to close your case too quickly. Fourth, find out how accessible the attorney will be. Can you reach the attorney to answer your question as your case proceeds? Is there 24/7 access in an emergency? Today there are multiple options for communications, including telephone, email, answering services, and in-person consultations. Are all those options available to you?
Fifth, make sure you know who will be working on your claim. You do not want to be relegated to only working with an assistant or someone you weren't expecting. Be sure your attorney will handle your case personally and be familiar with its components. And consider if he or she will work with at least one other attorney to have a team perspective on the pros and cons of your case to give you the best overall representation. Last, meet the attorneys and try to assess their compassion and ability to work with you. Try to get a sense of their credibility, trust, and whether or not they will have your best interests as their priority. Finding the right personal fit with your attorney's character and personality is important, so you want to be sure to meet the attorney for an in-person consultation before hiring legal counsel. If the fit doesn't feel right, then consult with other personal injury attorneys before making your hiring decision.
And that's about all it takes to make sure you get great representation for your personal injury matter. Kelley Canterbury is a law firm that focuses on personal injury cases. We are husband and wife practitioners with over 20 years of personal injury experience each, and we enjoy teaming up to take cases through jury trial when necessary to ensure our clients receive the very best and thorough representation. Please call us and let us share more about how we can help you.
Wow, that's pretty incredible, isn't it? The right professional will have you seeing things in a whole new light. Are you interested in learning more? Today's guest can be reached at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching.